Hello, 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 OMG. Late na late. Good mor good morning, good evening, good afternoon all over the world and wherever you are tuning from right now. And we are live. OMG, it's too late. So, yes, yes, yes. So, time check muna tayo. Today is 10:49 p.m. and it's my first time to be late as in late late. And today is September 8th, 2024. It's Sunday. So, yes, by the way, if your first time to see me here on my live, my name is Julie Ann and I'm here I'm a resident of Antioch, California, but originally I'm from Philippines. Born and raised in Mountain Province. Yes. So today I'm on live for today, which you see me every day because we have this 90 day success challenge, and today is our 49th day. Which the reason why I joined this 90 day success challenge is because of three reasons: for personal growth, for professional growth, and to form a new habit. So, hi sa inyong lahat. And OMG, it's too late. Because you know why? Grabe, parang this summer dito, it's my first time to experience yung on and off, yung brown out. Wala kaming ilaw for how many hours. And last 8 o'clock, sabi ko magla-live ako, walang ilaw. And my net is too slow. Hindi ko alam kung bakit ang hina ng signal dito sa bahay ko. But otherwise, we received a text message that the electricity will come back at, or the power will come back at around 1 a.m. OMG, sabi ko magwa 1 a.m. ba ako ng live? But thank God dumating siya. So, kaya ngayon lang dumating. Kaya ngayon lang ako magla-live and it's too late. Hello, hello sa aking 2 million viewers. But anyways, today is Sunday. So it means that it is our weekly insights regarding our topic for the whole week. And for this week, we talked about, parenting. Supposedly parenting, pero wala, hindi naman ako parent. That's why I changed it to sibling. As a sibling naman ako. And we discussed about the joys and challenges. Titingnan ko lang yung aking notes kasi I almost forgot if what topic we discussed but what I almost remember is it's about siblings. It's about the relationship. It's about wins. It's about the struggles of having siblings. And halos yun ang topic. Pero double check ko lang kung naka-live ba talaga ako. OMG. Grabe, it's late, late, late. Anyways, oh yeah.
Hello.
So,
Hello sa
yan. Late.
Hello.
Hello sa yan. Okay. Kakaloka. Late na talaga. But anyway, weekly insights. So, siguro I will just share thank you sa aking husband who is watching me. Sige, nood ka nga lang muna dyan. So, hi, Kuya Kuch. Hello. Thank you for coming into my live. It's late and you're still awake. Awake. Eh, 10:52 dito. Wow, first time na ang tagal na nawalan kami ng ilaw, na brown out. OMG. So, yeah, ngayon lang ako hahabol ng aking live, which is sa inyo, tapos ka na ba? Or gusto mo akong samahan? Oh, you just woke up. Oh my gosh, dahil ba sa live? So, yeah, ngayong Sunday, so it is our weekly insight regarding our topic for the past week. And I've talked about siblings regarding the joys, challenges, the relationship, and the small wins, and how to celebrate the milestone, or to acknowledge the milestone of being a sibling. So, hindi kasi ako parent. I don't have a kid. So, I just changed the topic to being a sibling naman. Kasi ako naman talaga yung nakakatandang kapatid. So, I just shared something about that. And parang halos parehas lang being a parent and being an older sister. So, older sister. So it's just like it's the same thing because you have also a big responsibility on taking care of your other siblings. And I've shared about that, but today I just want to share something. It's like a parable, uh, para i-relate lang sa lahat-lahat. So this is the parable of the three sons. So there is a kingdom where there is a king who has three sons. So yung pangatlong son, mag-18-year-old na, and usually they will give a special gift. So kasi sabi niya pag mag-18th na lang yung bunso ko, doon ko na lang ibibigay ang regalo nilang tatlong magkakapatid. So yung binigay niyang regalo is a piece of land on each kid. So sa tatlong yun, binigyan niya ng lupa, tapos sinabi niya na, "Since malalaki na kayo, this piece of land is my gift to you. You can do all the best that you can that will benefit the kingdom. And I will come back after 5 years and see if what happened to that land, if my kingdom, which is your kingdom, which is the kingdom of the owner after 5 years will benefit." Sabi niya gano'n. So kasi yung tatlong yun is talagang may iba-iba namang ano, may iba-ibang talent. Yung unang anak, yung panganay, he is good with his hands. So he's very artistic. So but the thing is, sabi niya gano'n, "I will make a armor, shields, and some weapons. This is to protect the kingdom," sabi niya gano'n. So that is what he did. He made the weapons, he made armors, he made shields, and he made sure that the kingdom, that piece of land was protected. And the second child, and the second child naman, he is good in his education kasi matalino siya. He's intelligent. So sabi niya gano'n, "Oh, I think the kingdom will benefit more if everyone will get education." So, naging teacher siya at tinuruan niya lahat ng mga tao doon sa kingdom. And I think my father will be proud of me more because I know that education needs more, sabi niya, yung kingdom namin. Kaya mas kailangan niya ng mga edukadong mga tao. Kaya sa tingin ko magiging best ito at magiging proud sa akin ang aking tatay, sabi niya. Tapos itong pangatlo, sabi niya gano'n, kasi yung pangatlo naman is he is good in survival. So sabi niya gano'n, "Ay, mabubuhay ang kingdom or magsu-survive ang kingdom as long as there is plenty of food." So, tinuruan niyang maging farmer lahat ang mga tao dun sa kingdom. Sa ano na yun, sa piece of land na ginawa niya, lahat ng mga nandun tinuruan niyang magtanim at para magkaroon ng sapat na pagkain. Kasi sabi niya gano'n na magiging proud ang tatay ko kasi alam ko na 'pag ganito ang ginawa ko, ang daming makakain, hindi mawawalan ng pagkain, hindi mauubusan ng pagkain ng kingdom, sabi niya gano'n. Hi, tapos sabi niya, "So, I know that my father will be proud of me," sabi niya. So after 5 years, so those three sons were able to nurture and nag-improve, nag-grow talaga yung kingdom ng isa't isa. Tapos bumalik yung tatay after 5 years. And sabi niya gano'n, parang nakita niya na parang tuwang-tuwa yung sons na makita yung tatay at para salubungin siya at ipakita na yun, ipagmalaki na ang gaganda ng mga ginawa nila sa kani-kanilang mga kingdom. Pero ang tatay sabi niyang gano'n, wala siyang reaction. "Oh, good," sabi lang niya. good that you made everything that was given to you. You were able to improve, sabi niya. Tapos sabi nung tatay, ay sabi nung mga anak, yun lang ba ang sasabihin mo, sino ang pipiliin mo sa aming tatlo? Kasi sa akin ginawa ko ang tama, naprotektahan ko ang aking kingdom. Walang nakapasok na iba, sabi niyang gano'n nung panganay. Tapos yung pangalawa naman sabi niyang gano'n, "Ako din, ginawa ko lahat. Dahil lahat ng mga tao ko naging edukado, naging educated. So alam na nila lahat ang mga ginagawa nila. And ang magiging future ng mga generation na 'to, matuturuan ng tama," sabi nilang gano'n. Tapos sabi naman ng pangatlo, "Ako naman, tama naman yung ginawa ko. Walang nagutom, walang nahirapan dahil may sapat na pagkain at saka alam na nila kung papaano mamuhay." Sabi niyang gano'n. Tapos sabi nung tatay, um, so ano ang masasabi mo sa amin kasi lahat binigay mo at saka sino ang pinaka the best sa amin? Sabi nung mga tatlong anak sa tatay. Tapos sabi lang ng tatay, "You all did good," sabi niya gano'n. Tapos sabi niya, "Tama, tama naman yung mga ginawa niyo, hindi niyo naman sinayang ang binigay ko sa inyo," sabi niya. Tapos sabi nung bunso, "Papaano, bakit hindi ka mamili ng pinaka the best?" Sabi niya. Wala akong pipiliin kasi lahat ginawa niyo naman lahat," sabi niyang gano'n. So nagtaka yung mga anak bakit wala daw siyang ano, tapos sabi nung tatay na ganyan na, "You did what you thought was best with it. Lahat ng mga tao diyan sa kingdom, tinuruan niyo ng tama at lahat naprotektahan niyo yung kingdom. Kaya wala akong mapipili sa inyo kasi you did everything. So hindi nasayang lahat ng binigay ko sa inyo." Tapos sabi niya gano'n, sabi nung mga anak na, "Papaano? Bakit hindi hindi ka mamimili sa amin? Kasi, dapat may best sa amin," sabi nung mga anak. Tapos sabi nung tatay, "No, kasi hindi ko naman 'yan binigay sa inyo para mag-compete kayo," sabi niya. "I just gave that one because I know that you will I know that you will do everything to protect and to help the kingdoms and you did everything," sabi niya. Sabi nung tatay na ganyan. So, learning of the story is there is no comparison on every sibling. If a parent has many kids and binibigyan nung isa ng mas marami or ng mas attention, hindi ibig sabihin na hindi niya binibigyan ng ibang attention yung mga anak. So, yun yung magandang i-ano na, i-relate din sa parang yun kasi yun yung mga topic the past week and, para i-relate ko naman sa aking business nga which is the business that I'm, having right now. Shout out nga muna sa mga aking, 2 million viewer na ngayon, si Kuya Kutch at saka si Kuya Rico. Hello, hello sa inyo and to my husband. Ay, tatlo pala. Who's watching to me right now on my live dahil late na, OMG. So yung gusto kong i-relate sa aking business na sa business na 'to, digital online business that I'm engaged right now, there is no competition in this business actually. It's true that we all have the same business and we do the same thing like Kuya Kuch here. Kuya Kuch is my business partner, and we have the same business. And it's true that we don't have any competition here because this business it has a lot of potential and offer, and it's up to you if where are you gonna use it. And for us, sa iba-iba naman kasi ang dami talagang potential ng business na ito. So Dito sa amin, we encourage everyone, we strengthen and we work each other. So we help each other. Yeah, so we support each other, sabi ni Kuya Kuch. And that is the good thing. It's just like the story of those three sons, 'di ba? So walang competition talagang nangyayari, and we always do our own best. Depende yan sa tao. So, and we always take our time. We do it on our own pace. Yun yung kagandahan sa business na ito. Kaya wala talaga siyang competition. And the good thing is it's worldwide. Talagang worldwide siya. So there's a lot a lot of prospects of clients na pwedeng makukuha kasi hindi lang siya limited dito sa US or hindi lang siya limited dun sa Pilipinas or hindi lang siya limited talaga sa iisang lugar lang. So we won't sit on one place only, and this is a digital online business. So it has a very very broad coverage. So that's why we have a lot of business partners. And the good thing in our community is we help it and support each other. So yun yung pinaka-importante. And ang kagandahan pa nito, we don't just we don't just inaangkin lang or tinatago sa sarili namin ang mga pagkakamali. Shine-share namin lahat 'yan at tinuturo namin sa lahat para malaman ng iba kung ano ang mga dapat gawin at hindi na ulit nila uulitin or gagawin yung maling ginawa mo, which is yun yung kagandahan nito. So, having this digital online business as your side hustle or as your plan B is a good one to have kasi even if you have a full-time job, kahit na may full-time job ka, pwede mong, kasi this business runs in automation. So it runs in the background. So it works in the background for you. So yun yung maganda. And we have already a proven system that really, really works in the background, at the back, on your back for you while you are doing your everyday life or your so it just means that your life is uninterrupted, na pwede mong gawin yung regular na ginagawa mo, just having this one, because this one serves as your fallback. If you don't have job, then it can be your full-time job if you want to. But for me, because I still have my full-time job, I still work it as my sideline, kumbaga. So yun yung kagandahan. And yeah, I've listened to a lot of business partners uh, live today, and wow, there's a lot of insights talaga na matututunan sa kanila, especially for being a parent. And it's same thing, some say that yes, this business is like treated like like your baby, because being a parent, you nurture it, 'di ba? Dinidiligan mo 'yan, inaasikasi mo, binabantayan mo, parang baby mo na din. And you're planting seed at the same time, and then later on, you never know, it will bloom and it will grow as fast na hindi mo na kayang i-control pag biglang tuloy-tuloy yan. So right now, uh, even if don't say that your business is, thriving or it's very slow, it's because you are still planting seeds. You are still nurturing it. So naalala nyo yung parang diniscuss ko na parable of the bamboo tree, wherein the bamboo tree, um, tumutubo muna yan sa baba, na ang tagal na tumubo, na ang tagal umusbong, na kahit na anong dilig nung farmer na yon, it took months, it took years, pero bakit wala pang tumutubo? At pinagtawanan pa siya ng village, pinagtawanan pa niya ng mga tao na bakit niya dinidiligan daw ang bamboo na yun, wala namang tumutubo, wala namang silbi. You know that bamboo tree always grows down muna, di ba? It builds its foundation, and once its foundation was already built, then that's the time that it will grow. And once na lumabas yan sa ibabaw ng lupa, tuloy-tuloy na yan ang pag-usbong, at tuloy-tuloy din ang pag-usbong ng iba sa baba. So ganyan yung bamboo tree. So be like a bamboo tree na you have to, be patient enough, nurture it, plants diligan mo, and then once it bloomed, yan na, tuloy-tuloy na. And be sure that you are ready once na nag-bloom na yun. Kaya wag kayong wag kayong matakot or wag kayong mawalan ng pag-asa na bakit hindi pa tumutubo or bakit hindi pa umuusbong. It's because that you are still building the foundation. And make sure that your foundation is firm and strong. That's why you have to take all your that's why you have to be coachable. That's why you have to go on your trainings. That's why you have to learn with the successful people and read their minds. So, yun yung kagandahan. Kasi once na nag-build ka na ng magandang pundasyon, tuloy-tuloy na yan. Hindi mo na mamalayan ang bilis-bilis na ng pag-angat mo. At hindi malayo yan na mangyayari sa business na ito because there's a lot of people who did this business and was able to thrive, 'di ba? Yung importante lang talaga tuloy-tuloy lang tayo. Oo, at 'wag mawalan ng pag-asa, o 'di ba? So, yun lang po ang aking gustong i-share ngayong gabi na ito kasi it's very, very late. Oh my gosh, I thought that I'm late already. So, it's already 11:09 PM here in Antioch, California. And yeah, hopefully there's some insights that was mentioned for today that you can think of. And when you go to bed tonight, don't put may tito pala ako, may share ako. May tito ako na 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 palabiro. Tapos taga ano siya, taga San Diego. And then when we visited him once, talagang tawa kami ng tawa kasi joker talaga siya and all his jokes were all real life stories. And then he mentioned na na kapag may nagtanong sa'yo na ikaw ba may 1 million ka ba or ikaw ba may bahay ka na or ikaw ba may mansion ka na? Oh yes, of course, I have. Sabihin mo daw, I have 1 million, I have a house. Pero nasa dreams ko. Sabi, I have it all. I have everything. But it's all in my dreams. Sabi niya gano'n. So, sabi ko, ito naman talagang si tito na 'to sasabihin na meron pa, nasa dreams lang pala. Pero sabi nga nila, libre ang mangarap. Yes, libre nga naman ang mangarap, but wag niyo lang pong ilagay sa dreams ninyo, wag niyo lang pong ilagay sa ilalim ng unan ninyo. You have to make an action too, right? to to make that dreams come true. So yes, it's true that we all have that free time to dream about it. We all have that free to dream everything, but we have to put it in an action too. So yes, hi Sister Gray. Shout out muna sa aking ba 3 million viewers. Hello, hello sa inyo. And yes, I'm late. Humahabol. Kaya ito, buti na lang nakahabol before mag-midnight, 'di ba? At saka baka mahabol ko pa si Kuya Coach na mag-live early in the morning. So, yun lang po ang gusto kong i-share ngayon and hope that you have a chance to to watch to check my business, my digital online business, and you can check the overview at www.josonkit.com. Yan po ang aking website. And yes, I'm a proud digital business owner and a proud digital business mentor because we help individuals to jumpstart their online business. And hi, shout out kay April. Hi! Thank you for watching and coming into my live. Patapos na pero nakahabol ka pa din. Thank you, thank you. And what to those who's gonna watch my replay, by the way, please, please, please tapusin nyo until the end. And regarding on my business, I encourage to proceed watch the 90 minutes free webinar, and there's a free info session every Tuesdays and Thursdays. You can watch it, and then if you want to proceed to step two, which I encourage to proceed to step two, because that's the time that you will see the blueprint or the black and white of our business, more informations that you will learn from there. And sa overview pala sa webinar, makikita nyo lang doon is yung trailer or yung overview on what we do, what digital business is all about. But for sure that you will be intrigued and curious, which is a good thing to watch also. But if you want this, please, I encourage you to proceed to step 2, because it is where you will see everything. And no problem, because don't worry, no problem, because this is with no commitment at all. You can always retract. You can always refuse if you think that it's not a good fit for you. But I think if you're looking for a side hustle or a plan B, because we know that life is so inevitable. We don't know what comes in tomorrow, and you never know if you will gonna need it tomorrow or today or later on, 'di ba? So hindi mo lang alam, baka ito ang sagot sa mga katanungan at saka sa hinahanap mo. So yes, kindly check it. Okay, thank you guys, and hope to see you tomorrow again on our Go Live. And today is our 49th. Oh my gosh, malapit na. Oh my gosh, isang buwan na lang at patapos na. Ay, hindi pa. 40 days pa. Kaya please, 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 please check our business. And you can do this while watching, o 'di ba? While driving. I-ano lang yan, i-play nyo lang yung free webinar, and or you are in the restroom while relaxing and taking your time, then you can just play it and listen it, o 'di ba? Yun na lang ang gagawin niyo, makikinig, o 'di ba? O 'di ba? Oh, thank you so much, and hope to see you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Thank you guys.